A single damp towel can harbor millions of bacteria, unseen and multiplying rapidly. This seemingly harmless bathroom staple can quickly become a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Ignoring this simple household item leads to unpleasant odors and potential health concerns. You might be surprised to learn how easily a towel can go from fresh to foul. Understanding the life cycle of towel germs is the first step towards a cleaner home. We'll explore the hidden world thriving on your bath linens. This knowledge empowers you to maintain better hygiene effortlessly. It all begins with moisture, the essential ingredient for microbial growth. After your shower, a towel holds onto a surprising amount of water. This damp environment is a paradise for bacteria and fungi. They feed on the dead skin cells and body oils left behind on the fabric. Think of it like some bacteria can survive for weeks. Without proper drying, these organisms multiply exponentially within hours. But that's not the strangest part. Some bacteria can survive for weeks. The longer a towel stays damp, the more diverse the microbial population becomes. You might notice a musty smell developing, a clear sign of microbial activity. This odor is caused by volatile organic compounds released by the growing organisms. Then something unexpected happens. The towel fabric itself can start to break down. The constant moisture and microbial action weaken the fibers over time. This leads to towels feeling rough and looking dingy much faster than you'd expect. Imagine your plush towel becoming stiff and abrasive due to unseen forces. This process highlights the importance of immediate and thorough drying. The impact extends beyond just the towel's lifespan. These microbes can easily transfer to your skin, potentially causing irritation. For those with allergies or sensitive skin, this can trigger reactions. The air in your bathroom can also become laden with spores and bacteria. This creates an unhealthy environment you breathe every day. Wait until you hear what comes next. Preventing this is surprisingly simple. The primary defense is maximizing airflow and minimizing dampness. Always hang your towel spread out completely on a hook or rack. Avoid draping it over the shower curtain or door, which traps moisture. Ensure good ventilation in your bathroom by opening windows or using an exhaust fan. This helps dissipate humidity rapidly after showers and baths. Washing your towels regularly is also crucial for removing accumulated microbes. Use hot water when washing to kill most bacteria and mold spores effectively. Adding a cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle can help neutralize odors. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant, so drying towels outdoors when possible is beneficial. This natural UV exposure kills many harmful microorganisms. Consider having multiple towels to rotate, allowing each one to dry fully. This simple rotation prevents any single towel from remaining damp for too long. The cumulative effect of these practices dramatically reduces germ buildup. You'll notice a fresher scent and a softer feel to your towels. This translates to a cleaner, healthier bathroom environment overall. It's about creating a small but significant improvement in daily life. The real-world consequence is less exposure to potential irritants and allergens. Your skin will thank you for the cleaner contact. This simple attention to detail prevents common household nuisances. It's a testament to how small habits yield big results. The takeaway is clear. Proper towel care is essential for hygiene. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more home efficiency secrets. Don't forget to like this video and share your own towel drying tips in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more home efficiency secrets. Don't forget to like this video and share your own towel drying tips in the comments below.